Hello students, welcome to lab number 19 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Punjab Technical University Jalandhar. This one is the program I am going to discuss today, count occurrence of vowels. For that I am using Spider platform. Program number 19, count occurrence of vowels. To start with the program, what we have to do? We have to enter the string from user side. First title required is entry of string from user side. For that, what we have to do? Suppose str is the string, then input enter any string, then one declaration of empty dictionary. Suppose I am going to display all the contents inside dictionary, all the vowels. How many vowels are there and occurrence of vowels according to their number. For that, suppose I am using C is equal to open and closed curly braces. It's representing a dictionary, empty dictionary. Then searching of data in the string. Searching of data in the string. Now, what type of data we are going to search? We have to declare that one. Suppose I am writing SEARCH, search is equal to AEIOU. Suppose I have to search this data. Then for I in search n is equal to str dot, there is one function count I. You have to search I. For any I inside search, you have to search the data, you have to count all those contents inside this string, and then you have to save this data inside counter. Ci is equal to n. Now simply you have to print this data, print C. Let us check the output. Enter any string. Suppose I am entering Sukhveer. Look at the output. A0, E0, I1, O0, U1. All the contents are there, A, E, I, O, U. Now one thing is there, suppose I am entering capital data, capital alphabets of A, E, I, O, U. Then what I have to do? Suppose I am executing again. Suppose I am writing A, E, I, O and U like this. Look at the output now. It's not printing the capital data because I am representing only the small alphabets. Now for that, what I have to do? I have to write here A, E, I, O, U, also the capital alphabets. And second thing, one thing you can do more, you can change the string dot lower. into lowercase. One thing you can do like this. Suppose I am writing now A, E, I, O and U like this. Now check the data. A is equal to, it's not working, just a minute. Suppose I am writing str is equal to str dot lower. Suppose I am executing now A, E, I, O, U like this. Now it's okay. A is equal to 1, E is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, O is equal to 1. It's reading all the contents, whether the contents are in capital or in small alphabets. If you are repeating the contents, suppose I am writing like this. Now look at the data. A, there is no A, E is 1, I is 1 and O is again 1 and U is 1. All the contents you can represent by using this content. Suppose I am not using this one, then we can apply capital A and small a separately. You can do like this also. Like this. Now look at the data. You can display all the contents, all the small alphabets and all the capital alphabets inside the string. Hope you understand the content. In the next video, I will discuss about count number of vowels in the word and how to count these number of vowels. Thanks for watching my video.